from the prior one, right? And what I'm going to do is really, this is an easy problem to integrate, by the way, but they're asking me to use Simpson's rule to do it. And yeah, I'm going to say the Simpson's rule is not that bad. All right, and I'm going to write down what I'm looking at, and certainly going to type it in for you. All right, so what I'm going to type in, I'm going to type in what f is. Before I do that, I'm going to do reset as I've always done before. I'm going to define the variable x as I've always done before. I shouldn't say always. Sometimes I don't do it because it's not necessary. I'm going to type in what f is, and what's f? F is a function of x, and I'm assigning it, 9 minus x squared, right? Now remember, on exams, you're not expected to do any computations. You're expected to write down this S4, and that's it. Don't do the computation. But I want to learn how to do computation using a computer. I'm going to use a decimal number, and that's 1 divided by 6.0. I was going to force a computation times, let's type this in, f of 2.0, and I'm forcing it to do the computation. You know what? I'm not going to force it to a computation, and I'll point out the reason for that. Let me do 1 divided by 6, and then times, my mistake, f of 0, I'm not using any decimals, I'm sorry, f of 2, plus, let's see, 4 times f, no, 4 times, right? 4 times f, I'm not going to use a decimal, and that's 5 divided by 2, plus 2 star f of 3. Again, I'm not using the decimal. It's going to do exact arithmetic. Plus, I don't need a z there, plus f, not f, right? It's 4. Star f, 3.5. Well, 3.5, whoops, I did it again, didn't I? It's 4 times. 4 times, 3.5 is 7 halves, right? And then what do you get? Plus f of 4. Well, that was pretty easy to type in. Let's see what happens. And you get minus 2/3. All right? So someone says that, you got a different answer there. You got, minus 0.7. Well, that's an approximate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to approximate that number, doing the notation again, and I'll show you get approximately. Well, approximately minus 0.7 just looking at it, but let's go for that. You get this, which again to 1 decimal point would be, minus 0.7. Working as advertised. Thank you.